Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your cold wallet. First, get your cold wallet address. Open your hardware wallet app. For example, if you're using a Ledger, open the Ledger Live app. Select Deposit or Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Copy the deposit address provided. For example, if you're transferring Solana, copy your Solana deposit address. Next, open Robinhood. Go to your portfolio and find the same cryptocurrency you want to send. Tap on it, scroll down, and select Send. Enter your cold wallet address. Choose Enter manually at the bottom. Paste the address you copied from your cold wallet app and tap Continue. Next, choose the amount. Enter how much crypto you want to transfer. You can also select Send All and tap Continue. And confirm the transfer. Robinhood will ask, where is this crypto going? If it's your cold wallet, select to myself. If you're sending to someone else, select to someone else and tap Submit. Complete any required verification steps like entering a code. Always send a small test amount first. Once it arrives safely in your cold wallet, you can send the rest. Also, make sure you're using the correct wallet address and network. For example, Solana must be sent to a Solana wallet address. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a cold wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.